Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What grow mindset means for kid? Then your classmate will choose 3 people and they will be interviewed by the principal. The principal will choose one person as a class representative. I want to be Stako this year. Ever since some of my friends did it last year. But 11 people in my class, including me, want to be Stako this year. but only one of us could win. There is 2 ways to you can show your speech on Flipgrid or live in class. I watched some of my friend videos on Flipgrid, and I thought they were really good. And I thought I couldn't make speech that would get more vote in them. So I told to my mom I didn't want to do this. And I thought she was mad at me for giving up so easily. And she said I had to write a speech. At the moment I know my mom didn't get how much pressure it was. So I ran back to my room and I slammed the door. Slammed the door. Well, Mom, you forced me to write speech, so I write this. Dear everyone, I didn't want to do this. I got forced by my mother. I ran back to her room to give the speech, and I slammed the door of my room again. When I was in my room, I started thinking, if I giving up, it was the right choice. Because if I gave them now, that means there was no chance at all. But if I didn't give up, there was still a bit of a possibility that I could get in. A person with a grow mindset was thinking this way, so I start to write my real speech. Okay, when the teacher announced who was going to be interviewed by the principal, I heard my name. I was so shocked because usually when you are interviewed by the principal, because you are in trouble. But Mr. Kantorbar, the principal, just asked me a few questions, and then I could go. I was starting to get more confident for the next few days. I want to know so badly if I was in or not. Finally, at Friday assembly, I know I was in. I know I was in. I know I was in. I was so pleased and surprised. At the moment, I realized the challenge that can help me grow. Also, my attitude and effort can determine my abilities. Now I have been enjoy our STACO meeting and event. I am just 13 years old and I have a grow mindset. Do you have a grow mindset? Let me share 4 ways with you. Number 1, think on positive. Like I did in my room, I took effort so I can enjoy being our STACO meeting and event. Number 2, when you are upset or mad, think for way to calm your mind. For example, reading a book, listening music, or taking walk. Number 3, I suggest you to make a pros and cons list. Like my example, giving up, that means no chance at all. The lastly, you can ask for help from your friends. For example, I learn from someone in student innovation team that try a new something is fun. It's not difficult to have a grow mindset. For me, a great can. So come and join me to open a door, a wonderful life and have fun. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.